OpenAI has introduced plugins for ChatGPT, allowing a select group of companies to integrate their software directly with the service. This is essentially going to be ChatGPT's App Store moment. It's very similar to when Apple's App Store initially launched for iPhone, unlocking the massive potential of the device. It's a move that could make ChatGPT an everything app, acting as a central hub for users to complete various tasks through chat-based interactions. So let's dive into the details. As a quick refresher, ChatGPT has gained immense popularity with over 100 million users to date by leveraging advanced language models to mimic human communication. It can perform various tasks such as writing, summarizing, translating, and explaining. However, until now, ChatGPT has been relatively isolated, unable to interact with the outside world or the wider internet to look up information from after 2021. With the introduction of plugins, ChatGPT takes a massive leap forward and can access current information on the web, like sports scores or breaking news. It will soon be able to function as an all-purpose assistant, handling tasks on behalf of users like planning a shopping list and then ordering those items from the Instacart app. Some of the well-known companies currently participating in the invite-only plugin creation program include Expedia, Instacart, Kayak, Klarna, OpenTable, Shopify, and Slack. These integrations suggest that ChatGPT aims to become a main computing interface for users, acting as an agent that mediates or automates regular tasks like planning trips and learning a new language. Although previous attempts to create conversational interfaces for popular services have not always been successful, ChatGPT offers a new approach. OpenAI is not only exploring whether chat is a better way to engage with services, but also aims to turn users into captive customers who begin and end their day within the OpenAI ecosystem. This announcement is significant for OpenAI as it moves beyond licensing agreements and API access towards a real product aimed at everyday users. The introduction of what essentially is an app store for ChatGPT shows OpenAI's intention to become a platform that dominates the market by giving outside firms and users access to their products' exponential growth. If you'd like to be one of the first to experience ChatGPT with plugins, then join the waitlist on OpenAI's site now. Which of the apps are you most excited to use with ChatGPT? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting ChatGPT news and tutorials. Thanks for watching.